The death toll from Wayanad landslide in Kerala has now crossed over 167, with many people still missing. Rescue teams are working hard to find survivors trapped under the debris. Major General Matthew informed that over 500 army personnel have been sent to help with the search and rescue efforts.
We have been here in support of the Kerala government and the people of Wayanad since 30th morning. So far we have recovered almost 100 plus bodies. Overall the body count is much more. In addition, we have helped rescue a number of people from the trapped areas. We have also inducted almost 500 soldiers into this. This is in addition to the Air Force, Navy and other components of the forces that are here. We, as of now, are on the third day of the operation, which we have launched. Almost all people who are trapped and needed rescue have been rescued. Now we need to get into the houses and see if there are any people who are trapped inside the houses whom we cannot find. For that we need heavy equipment. Our bridge is nearing completion at 10 o'clock today, and once the bridge comes up, it will be a major change. We will be able to induct all equipment into the site, and once the equipment goes into the site, then we will be able to dig for people, heavy equipment. That is what we are planning to do. So by 10 o'clock, this bridge, which has been constructed by our efforts day and night, has now come up, will be coming up at 10 o'clock. And this is going to change the dynamics of the rescue operations, and that's what we are hoping for. The focus primarily is to now search for people who are trapped inside houses, if at all. As of now, we are still expecting that there could be someone who needs help, where mud has gone over their houses and they have got some space to stay inside, but we are not able to hear here. That would be our focus. For that, we would induct heavy equipment inside inside the area which is affected. We would also have use our dogs, which have come again from Delhi through Air Force aircraft. So we will use both of these. As of now, from the Indian Army, 500 plus men are working in around 5 to 6 columns. We are working here. We have 3 dogs that have come from, specialized dogs that have come from Meerut, airlifted by the Air Force and Army jointly. They have reached, they are on site, they will be helping us do this job.
Meanwhile, Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan arrived in Wayanad from Kozhikode, accompanied by Chief Secretary Dr. V. Venu and DGP Sheikh Darvesh Sahib. The situation remains critical as teams continue their search for any remaining survivors. The 2 massive landslides that washed away Muddaki and Churamala areas of Velarimala village took place under Mepadi Panchayat in Wayanad.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.